In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude to help you make a business. We're going to use an AI assistant to quickly shape a clear, beginner-friendly plan for a clothing brand. The idea is simple. You'll provide one well-structured prompt and let the AI generate a foundation you can refine. This keeps you focused and saves time you'd otherwise spend staring at a blank page. Start by opening Claude in your browser and creating a new chat. In the message box, you'll paste a single comprehensive prompt. Here's the structure you want to use, which you can copy and adapt to your needs. Help me create a clothing business from scratch. Give me a unique brand name, brand concept, and target audience. Suggest the style of clothing, like streetwear, casual, luxury, or fitness, and explain what makes the brand stand out. Provide a simple business plan, including how to sell the products, such as online, social media, or a local store, plus pricing ideas and marketing strategies. Include ideas for a logo, brand colors, and overall aesthetic. Also suggest first product ideas, content ideas for promotion, and steps to launch the business. Keep everything clear, practical, and beginner-friendly. Before you submit, personalize the prompt so the results match your vision. If you already have a niche, add it. If you prefer a certain audience or budget level, mention that. If sustainability, inclusivity, or local sourcing matters to you, say so. The more context you give, the more tailored and useful the plan will be. Keep your language plain and direct. Clarity beats cleverness here. Now click Submit. Claude will generate an organized plan that touches every core area: a distinctive brand name and concept, a defined target audience, a recommended style, and what makes your brand different. You'll also get a simple business plan covering sales channels like an online store or social platforms, pricing ideas, and marketing strategies. Expect visual identity suggestions too, logo directions, brand colors, and an overall aesthetic, plus first product ideas and promotional content concepts. Finally, you'll see practical launch steps arranged in a way that's easy to follow. As you read, note what resonates and what doesn't. You can ask for revisions in the same chat. Request more budget-friendly options, push for bolder branding, or ask for region-specific insights. If a section feels generic, ask for examples and timelines. When it looks good, copy the output into your notes or a planning doc so you can start turning it into tasks. That's it. With one thoughtful prompt and a single click, you'll have a clear, actionable outline to move from idea to launch with confidence.